Hi all, welcome to Anil Nair Classes. Today in this class, we are going to discuss one of the most important subtopic from a main topic, that is number system. Today we will discuss all the problems based upon series. Series, extremely important topic. In majority of the aptitude exams, there are one or two questions that came from series topic. Listen carefully. I will start from the basic. First, I will tell you the concept hidden in solving the problem. Then I will solve the problem in a traditional method. Then I will tell you Anil Nair's way of solving the problem, which will help you to solve the question in seconds time. Let us straight away get into the topic. Now, all the students who are going to watch the class, kindly watch the entire class, so that in case if you got any doubt at the beginning of the problem, the doubt might be my problem at the end of the class. Ensure that to get the maximum benefit from the class, kindly use the class to the best of your abilities. See the entire lecture, and to get the maximum output from the lecture, please make a note of all the important key points. The idea behind this session is to make a student eliminate the use of pen while attempting the question. My single point focus in this session will be to make the student look at the question and try to answer the question in seconds. The only objective of today's session is to save students time as well as the space while solving an aptitude examination. In case if you got any doubts at the end of the class, feel free to send the doubts to support@anilnairclasses.com. In case if you are missing any class updates, you don't want any of the academic update from Anil Nair Classes, kindly WhatsApp this number to get all the class updates. A short intro about myself. I might have taken more than 500 times 1000 students in a class, so ensure that you pay ultra attention to the lecture. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen or a pencil. Let us straight away get into the class. Now the first question. The question is like this. Before answering the question, first read the question. When you read the question, there are few conclusions that you can draw while reading a question. Maybe in that conclusion only there is a root cause that is hidden. The question is like this: 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 and so on up to 1 by 99 into 100. When I look at this entire series, there are two important conclusions which I can draw. The first conclusion is all the questions are of the form fraction 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by. There are two numerical values in the denominator. Here also there are two numerical values. Here also there are two numerical values. Here also there are two numerical values. That means in every fraction, when you are adding a series, all the fractions the denominator has got exactly two numerical values. That is the first observation. Second observation. The second numerical value in the first denominator is nothing but the first numerical value in the second denominator. Second numerical value in the second fraction is nothing but the first numerical value in the third denominator. That means there are two numerical values in denominator. That is the first observation. Every second one is becoming the first one in the next term denominator. Every second value in the denominator in the first term is becoming the second value in the second term denominator. These are the two important things. Now if I look at this question, most of the students will solve the questions like this. Method 1. Method 1 is nothing but the partial fraction method. Partial fraction method. What is this partial fraction method? Partial fraction method says that condense the fraction in such a way that only the first terms or last terms are remaining. Values needs to be nullified. 1 by 1 into 2. Can I write it as 1 by 1, 1 minus 1 by 2. If I take the denominator LCM 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 will get cancelled. 1 by 2 into 3. This can also be written as 1 by 1 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Similarly, if I take the last value 1 by 99 into 100, this is nothing but 1 by 1 into 1 by 99 minus 1 by 100. Idea behind writing this value is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 will get cancelled. Last remaining will be 1 by 1 into 1 minus 1 by 100. This is nothing but 99 by 100. Answer for this question is nothing but 99 by 100. I hope it is clear, right? 99 by 100. This is the method 1. This is the method 1. Most of the students know this method. 1 minute, sir. Most of the students knows this method. I am not interested in teaching the methods which you already know, and neither you are interested in watching the video of mine to know the method which you already know. My idea is to, if you are taking 2 minutes to solve the question, after watching the class you need to take 20 to 30 seconds to solve the problems. This is method 1. Now we will do method 2. Method 2. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. Listen carefully to method 2. Method 2. Anil Nair's way of solving. Anil Nair's way of solving. Anil Nair's way of solving. Now see here. I will tell you 3 methods. Anil Nair's way of solving. Now, first key points. What are the important key points? Key points are n numerical values in denominator. If there are n numerical values in denominator, dr is denominator beta, condense it to n minus 1 numerical values. Condense it to n minus 1 numerical values. And the second one is multiplication factor will be multiplication factor. What will be the multiplication factor? Multiplication factor will be 1 by common difference into number of terms condensed. I will explain this in this problem. Number of terms condensed. Number of terms condensed. Common difference between successive terms. Common difference between successive terms. This is the multiplication factor. There are only 2 important key points while solving these series based problems. If there are n numerical values in denominator, condense it into n minus 1 numerical values, multiply it by the multiplication factor. The multiplication factor is nothing but 1 by common difference between successive terms into number of terms condensed. These 2 important key points, if you know it, answer becomes extremely easy. Just by looking at a question itself, you can answer the question. Now, answer. Now see here. First, there are 2 numerical values in the denominator. Answer should contain only 1 numerical value. Write down the first numerical value and write down the last numerical value. If there are 2 numerical values in the denominator, write the first numerical value and write the last numerical value. 1 by common difference between consecutive numerical values is 1. 1 into 2 is 1. 2 into 3, 3 minus 2, 1. 3 into 4, 1. 99 into 100, 1. 2 numerical values will become, how many numerical values? 1. This is nothing but the common difference. This is nothing but the common difference. This is nothing but the number of numerical values. Number of numerical values condensed. Number of numerical values condensed. Answer for this question is nothing but 99 by 100. Answer for this question is nothing but 99 by 100. I hope the idea is clear. It will be further clear. The more and more problems we will solve, the more and more understanding you will get it. As the class progresses, you will be able to solve the question in seconds. 99 by 100. Now, I will also tell you method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Answer option elimination approach. Answer option elimination approach. Answer option elimination approach. This answer option elimination approach, method 3 is derived from method 2. Method 3 is derived from method 2. Answer is nothing but 2 numerical values. How many we have to condense? 1 numerical value. write the first numerical value, write the last numerical value, 1 by 1 into 1. What is 1? 1 is the common difference between consecutive terms. 1 is nothing but the number of terms condensed. What is important to me is LCM of 1 into 100 is 100. Denominator in the answer, either it should be 100 or it could be the factor of 100 if their fraction is not in the condensed format. 2 by 4 can be 1 by 2. 2 is a factor of 4. 3 by 6 can be 1 by 3. 3 is a factor of 6. Denominator should be a factor of 100. Denominator should be a factor of 100 or it could be 100 only. Just if you know this one, you can directly say that option B and option C are eliminated just by looking at a question. So we are stuck between 99 by 100 and 97 by 100. That means just by looking at the question itself, you are able to eliminate 2 options out of 4 options. That means 50% options are removed. Only 1 out of the 2, 1 is right. That means just by understanding how to eliminate answer options, there is a 50% probability. You cut it down and there are only 2 options left. So answer is nothing but out of these 2 from method 2, it is 99 by 100. Sometimes there could be only 1 option with the denominator, 100 are factors of 100. That will be the answer. I hope method 3 is also clear to you. Method 3 is derived from method 2. Now, second question. Now see, 1 by 3 into 7, 1 by 7 into 11, 1 by 11 into 15 and so on up to 1 by 119 into 1 by 123. We are forgetting the traditional method. First, Anil Nair's way of solving the question. Anil Nair's way. Now, if there are 2 numerical values in the denominator, condense it to 1 numerical value. Write down the first and write down the last. First and last. 1 by, what is the difference between 2 numerical values? 4. 2 numerical values are condensed to how many numerical values? 1. So answer is nothing but 1 by 4 into 123 minus 3, 120 divided by 3 into 123, 12. So it is nothing but 10 by 123, 10 by 123. Are you all with me? 10 by 123. So answer for this question is 10 by 123. Now answer option elimination approach. Answer option elimination. Answer option elimination. Denominator, if 2 numerical values are there in the denominator, answer should contain 1 numerical value. Last numerical value is 123. 123. Either it should be 123 or a factor of 123. 246 is a multiple of 123. So answer 11 by 246 is eliminated. Just by looking at the question itself, only option C is eliminated. So method 2 is used here. Option C is eliminated. Sir, what if such kind of situations arise? If there is only 1 option, if we eliminated and 3 options are close to each other, then what we should do it? In such a case, what you need to do is you can use the approximation approach. Answer, right? Now, what happens if elimination is giving you, I hope it is clear, right? Now, if elimination is giving you, you can also use approximation approach. Approximation approach. What is this approximation approach? All the value, the series is a decreasing series. The series is a decreasing series. If the series is a decreasing series, first option 1 by 3 into 7, which is nothing but 1 by 21. 1 by 21 is closer to 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is nothing but 5%. 1 by 7 into 11. 1 by 77. 1 by 77 is nothing but 77 ones are 77. Just greater than 1%. These 1 by 21 is less than 5%. Less than 5%. 1 by 165, these all the values are smaller values. All the values are smaller values. All the values are smaller values. That means if you observe closer to 5 greater than 1, answer should be probably just greater than 6%. Answer is just greater than 6%. These eliminated. 5 by 123. 1% of 123 is 1.23. So 4% of 123 is nothing but 4 into 1.23, which is nothing but 4.92. But the answer is greater than 5%. These also you eliminated. In case if the answer option of the last numerical value is only eliminating you one option, go by the approximation method. Idea is to give you various tools. Depending upon the merit of the problem, you use any method. But method 2 is the best method to solve all the problems. But having said that, there are certain times where method 2 also is not needed. In that case, method 3 and the approximation work will be the best approach. So we are stuck between these two options. Because these both are very close to each other, use method 2. Use method 2. I hope just a basic understanding of approximation technique is used. Which technique to use depends upon the merit of the problem. Which technique to use depends upon the merit of the problem. Now